Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. This is Carlos, CEO of GAR Capital. Hope everyone's having a great day. Happy Tuesday. Rock and roll. First things first, seeing futures push this morning. 118 on the Dow, 49 on the NASDAQ, 11 points on the S&P. No all-time highs for NASDAQ, no all-time highs for the S&P. Um, amazing run. It's been an absolute tear, basically by the dip mode the whole time. Kind of reminds me of 2017 here.
Just a sec.
That's Siri for you. So anyways, it's been basically by the dip mode the whole time in this market. Any kind of coronavirus or pick your headline, the market has picked back up. So pretty interesting. Looking at it here, a couple names I'm looking at, a couple of trades I have open with the team. Microsoft freebie for you guys. Congratulations. If you're still holding Microsoft, that's great because we took it at profit, and I think it's at 191.05. So we're basically in the money. If you own that, I own the stock, but if you own those calls, you're making hand over fist. You would have made 100% yesterday. Anyways, if you would have held it, then you're definitely going to make some money today. Big time, probably 2 bags, which is 200%. So congratulations. That was a freebie for everybody on Instagram. Our members caught that. They're crushing it. We're going to go back to SPY here. Looking at NVIDIA in green, should be 40% on both. We'll take them. Facebook, we own some 220 calls. They did fall pre-market due to a downgrade, but it is chilling right at the 200-day moving average. I want to see the price action in the morning before I do anything. If the trend is broken, I did a chart for our members. If the trend line is broken, we'll look like we'll probably just take some chips off the table. We'll see. Again, it is only Tuesday. We'll take it easy and not really rush into anything. Other names here. I know everyone wants to talk about Tesla. Let's take a look at it. I can bring it up here. Tesla it's still nice bullish trend, but again, right near the 100. We need to retake about 820 in order for us to do anything if we wanted to play it. So let's go ahead and place an alert at 820. 800 was my alert and rejected it, but I'll go ahead and do 820 and see if we get that continuation to the upside for the most part. A couple names here. AMD, the students played it with us yesterday, and they caught it. It was not a signal. We had a lot on the table, and then I went ahead and filled the 53s personally, and I'm in the money right now. So again, it was a very riskier trade. The double dip, we're just watching it. Maybe we'll see a continuation, but it looks like it breaks that high. The only thing with AMD is that it does like to move very quickly, so that could be something on the radar, but it's not something for sure I want to play because I already have it. I'll probably just get out anyways. Another one here on the radar that I want to take a look at is Netflix. Netflix has been a name that I've been watching. We played it 4 times last week and caught it 3 times. 375.88 is my level to the upside. If we can break that, then it'll be something to take a look at as well. Steven asked Microsoft. We just talked about it. If you have Microsoft, it was a freebie on Friday for Instagram followers and for our members. They caught it. Everyone caught money on that. Even our Instagram members, I got a ton of DMs on it. Congratulations. If you still held Microsoft, you're basically set. You're probably going to make 200% this morning. Yesterday was at 100%, and it's still going. I own the stock personally. Love it. Keep it running. Disney. Disney has not been on my radar lately. Again, after earnings, not a ton of price action. We did catch it last week for some profits. I believe it was about 70% profits. Right now it's just chilling, not much going on. I want to see a break of 145.94 before I even make a move on it. But that's what we're looking at this morning. Qs we had yesterday, we closed it. We have a runner open. I'm watching it. I have the 232s, but again, they're in the money. I closed them yesterday 40% with the members. I just have a runner, so it should be very nice at the open. A little snack for us. Let's take a look at SPY. SPY new all-time highs. Again, kind of difficult to play when it comes to all-time highs because there's no resistance. We don't know what resistance is, and it could reject at any time. But you could see 336, 335.98 is where we are now. We'll see if we get the continuation. Maybe we'll take a look at some calls as well. Another name I want to take a look at is IWM, which is the Russell 2000 Index. It is not near all-time highs. We need to break 168.32 before we do anything on that. So I don't think that we'll get that today at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at Apple. Apple, again, kind of chilling here. Not much going on. I still need 325.81. I'm still waiting for me to get to buy in some shares. If we break below 300, I don't know if that's going to happen. If we retake highs, then I may have to readjust that and start buying some more. But 323 is our level. Currently, 325.81 is the level I want to break. So the only thing that we have open currently for our members is Facebook calls, NVIDIA, and Boeing. And we caught 3 trades yesterday. So with this, we should be 5 out of 6, without holding Facebook currently. So very, very good stuff this week. We're going to continue to get rolling, so see it. When it comes to Sprint doesn't have a lot of options. The move has already been done, so not really interested in looking at something that's already made the move. If anything, you could probably play the fade. If anything, we got to see exactly how we roll on that. I'm not really looking into it. The one thing I do have is Verizon, which is the actual stock. The stock actually pushed up this morning. Overnight, 61.80. It did fall back down a little bit. Now it's at 60. So again, it's still chilling in that range. Doesn't really move in options. Not really worried about it. Let's see, Lulu. This is Sanchez asking. Lulu, I'm not seeing a lot of much here. Doesn't have a lot of ton of options volume. Don't really play it. I like the stock long term. I don't own it, but Lulu is okay. But options, no, doesn't trade. Manuel asks, hi guys. I know this is not a market question. How do I keep the same setting on my charts if I have 6 charts open? I always need to sell them again and add the MA. Thanks. I don't know what chart you're using, but if you're using TOS, I can just send you on TOS our setup. If you want, I'll go ahead and share it right now. Let me see if I can share the workspace. If you have TOS, you could just use what I have now. I'll send it to you right in the chat, and if you click on it, you should have it. It should be saving now. There you go. It's been shared. I'm going to send it here on the chat. This is my TOS screen. Feel free to highlight it, copy, and use it. Click on the link. It'll bring up the exact same setup I have, including futures and everything. So as long as you have futures trading set up, you don't need to trade futures, but at least you have the quotes. So that's where we are. Any other questions, guys? Powell has testimony set up for the House Financial Services Committee, and then tomorrow he does the Senate Banking Committee. So we'll see what he says, but looks like the market is cheering on it. That TOS manual. So there you go. There's the file. Feel free to take a look at that. You'll have the exact same setup I have now, and it'll be a lot easier for you to deal with it because it has the 50, the 100, and the 200-day moving average plus 6 charts, and you're set. All right, Manuel. Cool. All right, guys. If there's no other questions, I got to get back to my team. We got to prep for the day. We'll leave it at that. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for the morning note. Have a great rest of your Tuesday, and let's make it a profitable one. Catch you guys later.